Now you create one data transform. Like a set. Let's hit enrollment. That is a when rule. That is a when rule. Okay, sorry. It will create a when rule, because you have clicked crosshair icon on beside when rule right. Cancel. Yeah, cancel. Yeah, on data transform. You can click on the crosshair icon. Create a new data transform. Double-click right. No, below you have write data transform parameters time. Here you create one data transform like set enrollment, some name, some money, set enrollment. You click on create and open. Now you click on dot. You have to set it manually here. Yes, so that the system will set in the background edges. Click on dot. Now set only on the target you click on dot. This one or this one on the target. You just enter dot, you will get properties. Is there anything like, do you want to enroll? Yeah, I have. Do you want to enroll property rate? And set that property to yes in a double quotes. Yes. Save it. Now what will happen? System will first set this to yes so that whenever it is advancing the flow, it will take the top decision path. You understood? Yeah, go to your SLA rule. The test is there. Now you save this one and you see how you have configured. First of all, it will do. You enter that data transform name. I think you haven't entered. Click on down arrow. No, go to the test SLA. No, go to the test SLA rule, come down the error. It is saying that value cannot be blank. You click on the apply data transform. Click on edit. See the data transform name you haven't entered here. Truly have created, but you haven't referred here. Okay, click on down arrow, you will get. Yeah, sure. You are setting it before advancing the flow. You just save it. Now you save it, you understand the error right. What error you have got? Now you go and create a case, now it will take the yes path. And you have to wait for 2 minutes. It will take the yes path. Okay. Now click on cancel. Click on cancel. It has 2 minutes on already. You close this case or you open any other case. So that lock will be more. Okay. Now what it has to happen? It has to take the above. Go to the flow. Previously what SLA did. SLA has submitted. Into the rejection path rate, the bottom path, and it has triggered the email right. Yeah, now it has to go to next assignment. Collector enrollment information is there. Yes, it has to move to that assignment because you are setting it to yes in the data transfer. This assignment, and this assignment is something different. It is a time icon for the first assignment. Yeah, that is like you have configured SLA whenever there is an SLA. You can realize the difference with the thing where the time icon is there, that assignment, that means that there is an SLA. Okay, if you have created SLA on this particular assignment, then you will get time icon here also. Okay. Now you have given yes right now, what we'll do as a business requirement system will by default select yes. It will move towards the next assignment. And one more thing, you have to follow guys like whenever you are working on SLA. You have to check in the rules here. There is no check-in and check-out enabled. But whenever you are working on SLA, if you want to change, see the changes, you have to check in the rules. Okay, don't make it in your private edit. You know right what is private. Edit and check in. Yeah, you have to check in. You have to. Whenever you make a change, you will check out right after you check out. You have to check in. Then only the changes will be visible. Okay. After 2 minutes, let's wait for 1 more minute. I saw the time. Yes, I understood right. Any questions? SLA is an agent background. There is an agent, you click on record. So Shivangi record is there on the left side record. This is an interview question records. Click expand the sysadmin. Sysadmin is there. Last but third. Agents, click on agents dash. Pega Procom. Now I remember the agent name is Pega Procom. There will be Pega Procom is there in the middle. Yes. Center Pega Procom 8601. Yeah, that one Pega Procom. Click on that Pega Procom. That is the agent in the background that is responsible for SLA. Okay, you see the first one, service level events, is there. That is an agent. You expand the service level events, expand it. Inside there will be one. This is our internal processing. Okay, this is all Pega internal processing. This is an interview question. Okay, how actually SLA works is like SLA is also an agent. Agent is nothing but a background process. It will take care. We need not do anything in a background. It will run whenever the time is reached. It will take care. Got it. Got it. Like any questions? So background processing. Agent bulk processing, same. These are the background processing or these are agent subtypes from that. The agent is Pega Procom. Inside Pega Procom you have again service level events agent. That agent is a background that is responsible for your SLA. Okay. Like whenever you have like not only one SLA it can take care of like n number of SLA you have, so many SLAs will be there in application. It will take care. That is not an our issue. It is already configured by Pega systems. Okay. This is a background, how we are doing now.